Welcome to our detailed guide for the 10-day Re-Zone Detox. Revitalize your eating habits and rejuvenate your body right from the comfort of your home. The Re-Zone 10-day detox is designed to balance your nutrients, cleanse your system, and boost your metabolism. It's ideal for anyone looking to reset their dietary habits and enhance overall health. But before we get going, I am Colleen the coach. This is my channel, Raising Health, and I am here to teach you how to eat right for life, all while you reach your health goals. The key components here, guys, are simple, and planning is super important. And with that, 7 days before you start your 10-day Re-Zone Detox, get out your pen and notepad and let us plan your very own 10-day detox. Your shopping list. Of your eating plan options, I will give you 3 meal choices, including a soup recipe, green detox juice recipe, and a ginger shot recipe, and our famous plant-based yogurt and berries. Okay, add these ingredients to your shopping list. See below for your low-carb vegetable list, which is unlimited within your eating window. Check out the list and make sure to add your favorite veg to your shopping list. Intermittent fasting. We have incredible results on this 10-day Re-Zone Detox with this practice. If you are new to fasting, check out my videos below. And seriously, guys, you'll be very, very impressed with the results if you incorporate intermittent fasting. I highly, highly recommend that. Okay, and if you have not tried intermittent fasting before, then a week before your detox, start practicing your fasting times. Okay, guys, this is also a really, really good time to cleanse your pantry and get rid of all the processed food and sugar. Get your house in order in preparation for your detox. Guys, planning ahead of time makes all the difference. You will not be sorry. Put the pantry and the fridge cleanse into your diary immediately. Epsom salt bath. This is super important, and you will see below how to execute your Epsom salt bath. I recommend doing at least 3 to 4 baths over the next 10 days. Make sure you have added some Epsom salts to your shopping list. If you do not have any essential oils to add to your bath, I highly recommend adding this to your shopping list. And my favorite for detoxing is a combination of lavender to help me relax and perhaps some lemon or grapefruit to aid detoxing. Okay, your dry skin body brushing. This is a practice you should really do every day, even after your detox. The benefits are incredible and it is so simple. See below in the content on how to execute this practice. Remember to add your body brush to your shopping list. Light exercise is crucial. I recommend a daily walk, 20 to 60 minutes, but really listen to your body, guys, and take it easy. Even bump it up if you feel a surge of energy. That means getting out those trainers and comfy walking clothes and make sure you are prepared for exercise. Many of my clients like to journal on their 10-day journey. I highly recommend this. So get your journal pad ready and you'll be able to reflect over the 10 days and really purge those emotions onto paper. Add your journal to your shopping list if you do not have one. Water, guys. You'll want clean, purified water. So make sure whatever method works for you. For example, you may want to buy a few bottles to help keep you on track daily. Add this to your shopping list as well. Also, guys, coffee is another big topic because caffeine withdrawal can give one a pounding headache. So I highly recommend that you cut back on your coffee 1 week before you start. Quit sugar, bread, and processed foods. Okay, guys, get rid of it. If it's in a box, get rid of it because you will definitely not be doing this on your detox. On another very serious note, planning is key, as I've said many times in this video. So it is super, super important. So with that, grab your diary and start planning, guys. Listen, I mean this. Planning will set you up to succeed. So let's get planning together. Your daily walk, whatever time of the day works for you, plan it and do it. Daily body brushing. Plan this before your shower or your Epsom salt bath. Morning or evenings, it makes no difference, whatever suits your schedule. Epsom salt bath. Plan 4, guys, but try and get at least 3 in. It's a great detox practice. Your pantry cleansing. Plan at least 2 to 3 hours and get rid of the rubbish. I recommend that you do this 1 week before you start. Okay, your shopping list. Seriously, plan the trip to the grocery store so that you are organized. Lastminute.com is not what we are aiming for here. Signs that you are detoxing. This is very, very important to understand before you start your detox. From my experience with clients, if they do not check out the signs that they are detoxing before they start the journey and they get the detox symptoms on, say, day 2, they panic and they start popping painkillers, or worse, totally throw in the towel. Guys, be informed. To succeed, you need to be serious about this. It is only 10 days. Make it count. At least 3 days before you start your detox, do your homework and add understanding signs that you are detoxing to your diary. You'll only need about 30 minutes to understand detox symptoms. Intermittent fasting. If you have not tried this powerful practice before, then add this to your diary ASAP, because you will need at least an hour. I have some videos to share with you to help you get started. Weigh in days. Very, very important to add these days into your diary as well. I recommend day 1, 4, 7, and 10. Take a pic with your phone with each weigh-in so that you can keep tabs on things. The day before you start your detox, block out a few hours to prepare your soup, your green detox juice, and make sure you have spare containers, possibly for freezing any leftovers that you may have from your soup and juice day. Before I take you through the daily practices, let's touch on the side of effects of a detox. And no, you're not dying and your body is just detoxing. So relax and be sure to understand these side effects. You're not sick, you are eliminating toxins. Okay, some of the detox symptoms can occur quite rapidly after stopping sugar, caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods, sometimes within hours. Guys, here are some tips to be aware of. Anxiety, irritability, body pain, headaches, changes in your appetite, nausea, diarrhea, fatigue, sleeplessness, sleepiness, leg cramps. You may get some cravings, you could sweat a little bit more, you could shiver, and your skin also shows signs of detoxing. You could break out in a rash, you could itch or sweat a little bit more than usual. Dry skin body brushing and Epsom salt bath will really assist your skin with elimination of toxins. Emotionally, your moods could change from anger to sadness to anxiousness or even depression. Make time for rest and self-care over this period. And remember, the worst of the detox signs will vanish as quickly as they came on, and the benefits will be worth it. I promise you guys. Are you ready for day 1? Let's get started. I suggest the night before you start day 1, you take your first Epsom salt bath and do some journaling. It is a great time to get your mind set ready, guys. Even take that walk and really get things going. Plus, you're super organized because all the soup, the juicing, and the shopping is done, and you are ready to own the next 10 days. Guys, you really and truly have got this. Okay, day 1, weigh yourself, don't forget, and within your eating time, it is important that you prepare your body for the 10-day Re-Zone Detox. And with that, by following our day 1 soup fast, you'll be preparing your body for the juice fast, which is to follow. You could mitigate or even eliminate some of those detox side effects. Okay, guys, the action. You break your fast with a ginger shot. You'll have your cauliflower soup. This is unlimited within your eating window. And this cauliflower soup is delicious. And I often add some herbs and spices just to jazz it up. Drink your water, 8 glasses a day. Herbal teas, black with lemon and mint. This is optional, guys. That's it. Day 1 is done and dusted. Okay, day 2 and 3, the amazing juice fast. Within your eating time, green detox juice. This will help increase the oxygen content of your blood and alkalize your body in a very short space of time, as you'll be drinking the juice and you will not be eating any food. Your digestive system will completely rest. And since your body will not be burdened with digestion, it will use its energy to repair, renew, and heal. Action, guys. You break your fast with a ginger shot. A tip, if you feel some detox signs kicking in, you may have an extra 1 or even 2. Okay, your green detox juice. This is unlimited in your eating window. Okay, and drink your 8 glasses of water a day. You've got your herbal teas, black, and that's it, guys. Day 2 and 3 is done and dusted. Day 4 to 10. Remember, day 4, 7, and 10, you also weigh yourself within your eating time. Let's get the food on the go for you guys. You are probably fantasizing about this on day 3. I'm all about enjoying my food, and I've put together 3 meal options for you to choose from. I suggest picking 2 meals a day off the list because you really do not need to have 3 meals a day. Remember, we are keeping this plan as plant-based as possible. I will suggest eggs for some of you guys who really would prefer this. Meal option 1, plant-based yogurt with chia and berries. See the recipe below. And it also makes a great smoothie, guys. Meal option 2, 2 eggs, or you could choose a protein off your plant-based list below, your half an avocado. In fact, I want you to have half an avocado each day. Okay, so if you do not do it with this meal option, add it to your meal option 1 as a smoothie, or even into your meal option 3. Don't forget your free vegetable list below. This is unlimited during your eating time. So guys, just go for it. Also add a tablespoon of some olive oil or some butter. Okay, meal option 3, your main meal of the day, plant-based protein. See your list below, your free vegetable list, plus a tablespoon of olive oil or butter. Guys, that's it. You have got this. That's your eating for the whole 10 days. I must stress the importance of hydration. It is key. Don't forget, aim for those 8 glasses a day. You could add some cucumber slices or some lemon for some extra flavor. I've spoken about exercise. Okay, complement your detox with some light exercise. Incorporate activities like stretching, walking, or some home workouts to boost your metabolism and your overall health. Especially once you hit day 5, you could really just turn up the heat a bit. And remember to use your journal to monitor meals, hydration, and physical activity. Okay, this also helps you keep accountable to yourself. Okay, guys, you have got this. Guys, remember, cravings and challenges are part of this journey. So stay strong and remember, it's about progress and not perfection. Here are some tips for success. Plan ahead. I've spoken about this many times, okay, in this video. 1 week before, as I said, get your shopping list and your diary. Drink plenty of water. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Incorporate light exercise. Track your progress. Seek support from friends and family or online communities. Our Facebook page is a great way to stay connected with other wellness warriors. Hey, don't just take my word for it, guys. Listen to real life testimonials from people who have successfully completed this 10-day Re-Zone Detox. I'll add some of their stories below if you would love to have a look. If you are serious about this journey, hear what others have to say, guys. Stay motivated. Join a community or enlist a friend to do this detox with you. Support and accountability make a huge difference. And by the end of the 10 days, you'll feel more energized, healthier, and ready to continue your balanced eating journey. Give the 10-day Re-Zone Detox a try, guys, and see the difference it could make in your life. Like and subscribe for more health tips and diet guides. Share your Re-Zone diet success stories with us, guys. We love to support you, and I love to help keep you motivated. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Ciao, ciao.